A racing drone is typically the last place you want to start if you're learning to pilot a quadcopter. Camera drones like the DJI Mavic might be able to fly fast, but they are loaded with sensors and GPS to keep them stable in the air, avoid crashes and allow them to take off and land on their own or automatically return to you if you get into a sticky situation. You can even find some toy models with these capabilities. You'll find no such features on most racing drones because they are built for speed and agility, so you're mainly flying manually. That's fine if you know what you're doing, but it sucks for learning. Then you've got the costs. Whether you go with a ready-to-fly RTF model or have the soldering skills to DIY one, you're talking hundreds of dollars. Add on the cost of a controller, AK transmitter, and FPV goggles for flying by first-person view and you can go broke before your first flight and inevitable crash. All of this is to say Fat Shark, the leading maker of FPV goggles for drone racing, has put together a killer kit with everything you need to learn to fly a racing drone without the headaches, frustration, or costs I just mentioned. Plus, it gives you room to upgrade. For $250, approximately $325 or 185 pounds, you get an RTF mini racing quad, controller and 5.8 GHz Fat Shark FPV goggles. Everything is set up to work together out of the box, but it's all been simplified. The controller, for example, is down to essentials with just 2 switches, one for arming the motors, the other for switching between flight modes. Along with the quad, radio and FPV goggles you get 2 batteries and a USB charger, to spare motors and 4 spare propellers, quick start guide, 2 gates and gate holders, lens cloth, radio USB cable for flight simulators. Fat Shark recommends an AMA, Academy of Model Aeronautics, membership, as do I, for flyers in the US, so much so that it includes a 3-month membership. You'll also get free access to the Drone Racing League simulator, which is $20 on Steam, about $26 or £15 converted. Just connect the controller to a computer with the included USB cable and start training. Fat Shark will have its own simulator too, as well as a series of training videos.